Hey, welcome back. Continuing with our Christmas theme, today's Swiss Army knife will be the 2017 White Christmas Explorer. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. Every year since 2015, Victorinox has produced a special edition knife series for Christmas, and for 2017 we get the White Christmas Explorer. It comes with silver gray snowflakes embossed on the white scales and carries an identifier number of 1.6703.77 and a nomenclature of White Christmas 2017. There were approximately 15,000 of these produced, and we'll check this one out. We get our standard packaging for this time frame for the Christmas knife, so you do get kind of a Christmas motif on there. The standard plastic deal and the holder, and our normal care, use, and maintenance card. Okay, so the Explorer is a 4-layer knife. It's right at 3/4 of an inch scale to scale. I'll give you a good look at that embossed snowflakes on there. Actually a pretty sharp knife, or handsome if you will. Depending on the light, the snowflakes show a little more or less. So in the back we have our 4-turn solid corkscrew. We get the parcel hook, the standard reamer awl with the sharpened edge, and the sewing eye. Being a 2017 knife, we get the post 1991 location for our key ring. Have the standard opening layer with the can opener with a little precision screwdriver up top. Cap lifter with a 90-degree stop, wire bender, and hollow ground screwdriver. Get the shorter inline Phillips with 90-degree stop. The magnifying glass with the clear surround. I believe this is a 5-power. Get the scissors with the kind of cadmium looking rivet, double band spring, and the spring guiding groove. Again, all of this to be expected because this is a newer knife. Get our standard main blade. And for tang stamps, we get Victorinox Swiss-made stainless. And the officer Seuss or Suisse on the back. And the little small spear point or pinpoint blade. Our standard scale tools to include the plastic tip tweezers, and the toothpick. The toothpick does have 16 on it. So I'm guessing at some point, because I've seen a couple of knives with numbers on them, I don't know if they started embossing or stamping, injection molding, whatever, the date onto the toothpick or not. I've seen one that was 18 and one that was 16 in some of the knives we've looked at. I also saw a 27, so I'm not real sure. But again, you can kind of see that embossed snowflakes on there. And these do stick up. The nail does catch them a little bit. I don't know if you can tell from the video. Kind of a nice addition to the collection. So if you like these videos, thumbs up, subscribe below. And as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another. Christmas is coming.